I'll be showing you step by step how to send your lead magnet using Mailchimp and Shopify. So I'm going to assume you already have a Mailchimp account, and if you don't, I did a full tutorial on how to set it up. So the easiest way to do so is to use the forms section in Mailchimp. If we click into here, you can go to create pop-up form in the top right. And from there, we can select the free content such as download an ebook or guide, which would be our lead magnet. I'll click continue there. It makes it really easy to create pop-up previews here for our lead magnet so we can get customers to enter in their contact information and give them the content. So it's going to give us different templates here. So you can select from one of these to make it really easy to set up. I'll just select this dark preview. You can give it a internal form name. So this is just for our own references. We can set the audience. So I have my Shopify store linked and I just want to collect the email address. I'll click create form next. This brings us to the form editor. So overall, it's a little intimidating when you open it up as there are quite a few settings. But what makes it easier, let's just click into one of the steps and it's going to zoom in here. So this is a little more comfortable to see. We can see it's popped up over our store. And if we drag this to the right, I can see it's currently our demo store here. And because it's a demo store, it's not going to show our actual store in the background. Now to edit any of these elements, we simply just click into it, similar to any email editor, or I could go to the left-hand side as well and click on it too. If we click on it, on the right-hand side, we get our customization. So if I wanted to change the logo here, I can click on logo, head to the left. I want to replace this image and select my Ecom Masterclass logo, and it's going to display at the top. To customize the text, you could say the ultimate guide to camping this summer. And for each of these, I want to update the text, the email capture step, and I'll leave the last one as the same. I'll leave the rest of the text as the default here, as the customization is just going to really depend on how you want this pop-up to look. So overall, there are 3 steps. We have our offer, there's the actual email collection section for email capture, and then our confirmation at the bottom where they can actually open their PDF. If I click on open PDF here, we can see there is a download button. We can customize the text here as well, such as download now. What we'll also need to make sure we do is set the actual link. So if I click on the primary CTA, if you've made any sales on Shopify, you know how hard it is to keep track of how much profit your store has actually made. That's where a sponsored profit calc comes in, the one-click profit calculator available for your Shopify store. Once set up, all you have to do is select the date range you're looking for to get real-time profit calculations so you can truly understand your store's performance. It includes a ton of different details, analytics, and metrics, and it syncs seamlessly with all your ad accounts, as well as many other cost of goods sold providers. There's different reports you can look into, and it all comes with a 15-day free trial so you can test drive everything for yourself. There's a link in the description below to access the Shopify app listing directly. You could also head to the Shopify app store and search for Profit Calc, and then look for this logo in the top left here. Again, there's a link in the description below at the top here. So we have our 2 sub elements in the primary CTA here. We go to button actions in the top right. We can actually change the URL where the user can actually download our content. If you don't have it uploaded anywhere, you could go to your Shopify dashboard, head to content. You can actually upload a file here, and then we can copy the link from there. I'm just going to copy the link to this random product as I don't currently have a lead magnet uploaded for this Shopify store. I'll head back to here, set the URL to that, and then click save and review at the top there. Next up, we get some overall settings, such as where it should show. If I click edit site settings, I can add it or exclude it from certain pages. You can also change who's going to see it. So it could be just anonymous visitors, all visitors, or already known visitors. You can also layer on different conditions. We could also set when it should show. So we could say a time delay, total time on site, inactivity, exit intent, and so on. And if you're set up on all of those, just click publish or schedule in the top right, and I'll click publish now. You'll also want to make sure that in online store in your Shopify theme, so I'm in the Shopify dashboard now, I want to go to customize. It's going to open up the Shopify theme editor. We'll go to app embeds. You just want to make sure that the Mailchimp for Shopify is toggled on. If it's not, your pop-up isn't going to display. And just like that, we set up a gated way for users to go access our lead magnet. And if you wanted to send them a follow-up email as well, you could do so by setting up an automation for when users subscribe and send them the same link to your lead magnet. If this video helped at all, I would love it so much if you smash that like and subscribe button below. If you have any questions, leave a comment, but thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next video.